Hammaga salom do'stlar. Sizlar bilan Shahmayn. Do'stlar, bugun biz maza qilib DLC 2025 o'yinini o'ynab maza qilishga harakat qilamiz. Do'stlar, hozir DLC o'yinini men va jiyanim Said Akbar bilan o'ynaymiz.
Qalaysizlar, ukalar? Yaxshimisizlar? Bolalaringiz yaxshimi?
Mana shu meni jiyanim bo'ladi do'stlar.
Men Said Akbarman. Esingizda chiqarsani bir urib uxlataman.
Do'stlar, agar netu gapirtgan bo'lsa, apga bermaysizlar, shunaqaroq sal o'zicha do'stlar. Do'stlar, qani yemasam o'yinni boshlaymiz.
Assalomu alaykum do'stlar. Yaxshimisizlar? Sizlar?
Bu men ukam do'stlar.
Mana shu videoga like bosib qo'yinglar. Ali dumbasdan olib qo'ying. Men senga sotaman.
Do'stlar, aytga buyurmani ashnaqaroq.
Agar g'alati gapirgan bo'lsa, apga buyurmani.
Uzr do'stlar. Qani yemasam do'stlar boshlaymiz. Do'stlar, kim bilan Barselos bilan o'ynarkanmiz? Qani boshladik. Hop do'stlar, like, kommentlarni
Time for this league game to commence. The fans are expecting a win. What can this team do? A lot of talk before the match. Home team has gone with a strong lineup here. They're playing 4-1-4-1. That holding midfielder should be able to link the defence and midfield.
Audiodan mana shu pozitish kerak do'stlar. Ana do'stlar, mana ham 30 do'stlar mana. Yaxshi. Boshladik, biz qizilamiz do'stlar.
Felix.
Hop. Do'stlar, kilit. Hop, mana do'stlar. Hop, pas.
Richards. He's broken through. He's in the clear and going for goal. The shot has gone wide. No goal. Let's see how close it was. A careless pass there. Well read. The referee calls play back for an offside. Oh, he's been called back. He's just offside. An expert tackle. They're moving the ball forward. Good distribution. Felix drives forward. It's back with the goalkeeper. Rolled out by the goalkeeper. He's rounded the keeper. It's an empty net. He slid for the ball, but missed. Great dribbling. Surely now, inches away from goal. The fans thought it had gone in, but let's see how close this was to a goal. They're just looking to keep the ball. He's got the ball at his feet. And that foul warrants the first booking of the match. Plays the free kick mark. Could have been better. This is Toure. Moving down the flanks here. He's confident on the ball. They've made the breakthrough. Here's a fantastic chance to score. Keeper got a hand to it. He couldn't direct that header goalward. Misplaced pass. Well, not too many talking points in
Do'stlar,
that
mana
ending.
birinchi taym tugadi, ikkinchi taym boshlaymiz. Do'stlar, qani bo'lmasam ketdik. Hop, video 5 minutlik bo'libdi.
Richards.
Golmi do'stlar?
The assistant's kept his flag down. He's on.
Goal!
There's no stopping now.
Do'stlar, gol!
To the confidence
Do'stlar,
that's
gol
given
urdik.
him. And the
Delese
team.
Maboel.
Can they hold on to the lead?
Do'stlar, gol urdik.
We'll want to see a
Gol
replay of that
urdik.
great goal.
Supermarketga ham chiqaraman. Like, comment bilan bosib
control.
turing, supermarket videosi ham chiqadi. Do'stlar,
The goalkeeper
Depay.
eases the pressure.
mana jiyanim ovoz gapiradi.
That's lofted upfield. That's nicely played. Won the ball.
Like, do'stlar, chumolini.
Felix. He got that all wrong.
Bruno ketdi hisob. Like, comment bosish esingizdan chiqmasin. Bruno
Passed
ketdi.
well.
Delese sizlar ham topdinglar, yaxshi o'yin.
Lovely passing here. Oh, shocking challenge. Another booking. And he's been given his marching orders. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. He's gone for goal. The fans are demanding more goals. This could turn into a rout. And he's won it back for his team.
73 daqiqa do'stlar.
Kicked outfield.
Boshlanyapti.
Keeper takes control.
Like-ni boshqani 7 minutlik bo'ldi. Hali yana
A close lead here, but the losing team can still salvage a point as they look threatening on the attack.
Richard.
He's on the move. He tries something special.
Vuy,
That
do'stlar,
sailed wide of the
gol
goal.
urdi.
Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
Do'stlar, xudo xohlasa uzoqdan ham gol tiqaman. Unga ham o'xshab turinglar, uzoqdan ham gol tiqishimga.
Felix drives forward.
Do'stlar,
He's darting forward using the width of the pitch.
do'stlar, patka.
They're moving the ball forward. Here's his chance. And it's there. He's
Do'stlar,
scored right at the
Bruber.
death.
Va,
What a
do'stlar,
difference the
gol
sub has
urdilar.
made. He's scored. A short pass from the keeper.
Voy, do'stlar, necha hozir bir qilamiz.
It's down to the wire. It's the last few minutes for them to break the deadlock and get a winner.
O'yin tugadi. Qalbimsam ketdi. Do'stlar, hammaga rahmat. Like, kommentlarni bosish esingizdan chiqmasin. Meni Sirak Barakaman.
Do'stlar, Haydar, meni ismimni esingizdan chiqarib qo'ymasin. Men Seydak borman.
Rahmat hammaga.